everybody, this your girl Netta back with another video. You already know. So today I am going to try to make something else today. If you follow my Instagram, Blooming Space, Netta's Blooming Space, you'll see that I posted my first project. It was a 2-piece polyester suit or whatever. You know, I was just playing around, whatever. But this right here, you know, split it right off of a dress. I'll probably put a picture of the dress that I got it from. I took it right off of a dress in my graduation shoot, right? That's so cute. And then I have this shirt. It's an oversized shirt. It's so big, you know. What size is this? I think my auntie gave it to me. It's a plus. This is like a pearl reflective type of thing. I don't know. I'll top and see how that'll look together. See, that's so pretty. But I don't know exactly what I'm gonna make yet because I just found the fabric or whatever. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna make yet. So I'm gonna go to Pinterest and I'll be right back. Cut it horizontal first. This is the shirt. Now I'm gonna cut down the middle of the back. Look at that. I think it's cute like this. I ain't even